Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about digital privacy. Digital privacy. To safeguard identity and thwart intrusion through digital privacy, we must understand how our data is used. Basically, we are making sure our online lives stay private and safe. Data sovereignty. As a core pillar of digital privacy, data sovereignty allows people to reclaim ownership and dictate usage of their personal files. In simple terms, your data belongs to you, not to a big company. Informed consent. Informed consent is a branch of data sovereignty used to notify users and respect autonomy before any data is collected. This means you are told clearly what is happening so you can make your own choice. Granular permissioning. Through granular permissioning, we can specify access and restrict sharing of only the info we want to show. To put it simply, we are picking which buttons to turn on so we don't share everything at once. User agency. User agency serves as a functional layer of data sovereignty to empower individuals and exercise control over their digital footprints. Effectively, you are the boss of your own information. Data portability. Within data portability, you have the right to transfer records and switch providers without losing your precious files. In other words, if you don't like an app, you can take your data and go somewhere else. Anonymization Protocols. Anonymization Protocols is a vital branch of digital privacy used to obscure trails and mask signatures in large data sets. Simply put, we are hiding who you are so you just become a nameless number in a group. Metadata Scrubbing. Metadata scrubbing is a core part of anonymization protocols where we wipe traces and clean files of hidden history. This means removing the time and place from your photos so nobody can track you. Exif Stripping. Under the umbrella of Exif Stripping, you can delete GPS tags and hide origins of where a photo was taken. To put it simply, you are erasing the digital map from your pictures so your home stays a secret. Differential privacy. Differential privacy is a functional layer of anonymization protocols used to shield patterns and confuse trackers who want your habits. In short, we add noise to the data so nobody can find the real you. Noise injection. Through noise injection, companies can add random data and blur results so individual identities stay safe. Effectively, we are adding fake snow to the picture so hackers can't see the person behind it. Cybersecurity Defense. Cybersecurity defense is a critical requirement for digital privacy to fortify networks and repel attacks from online criminals. Effectively, we are building digital walls to keep the bad guys out. End-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption is a strategy within cybersecurity defense used to scramble messages and lock content for everyone except the sender. This involves turning your text into a secret code that only your friend can read. Zero-knowledge architecture. By achieving zero-knowledge architecture, a company can prevent snooping and hide keys even from its own employees. To put it simply, even the people who run the app can't see your private messages. Multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is a technical application of cybersecurity defense to verify identity and add layers of protection to your login. In simple terms, you need a password plus a second key to get into your account. Biometric verification. To perfect this, biometric verification can scan prints and recognize faces to make sure it's really you. This means using your unique body parts, like your finger or your face, as a super secure password. Regulatory oversight. Regulatory oversight is a fundamental goal of digital privacy to enforce rules and penalize breaches by irresponsible companies. Basically, the government is watching to make sure apps don't steal your info. Compliance auditing. Compliance auditing is a core part of regulatory oversight where officials inspect logs and verify safety of how data is kept. This means the digital police check a company's computers to see if they're being careful. Impact assessments. Under the umbrella of impact assessments, a firm must predict danger and gauge risk before launching a new feature. In other words, they have to think about how a new tool might hurt your privacy before they build it. Privacy statutes. Privacy statutes are a practical goal of regulatory oversight used to enact laws and set standards for the whole internet. Essentially, these are the official books that say what is allowed and what is forbidden. Right to be forgotten. Through the right to be forgotten, a person can erase history and remove links to old, embarrassing search results. To put it simply, if there is something old and wrong about you online, you have the right to make it disappear. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.